Hi everybody, it's Olivia and I'm back with How to Read Crochet Patterns Lesson 2. This lesson will focus on numbers, repeats, and what they mean. If you haven't watched Lesson 1 yet, go click the link in the description and watch that because each lesson is built upon the previous. If you don't understand the first lesson, then you won't understand the second, third, and so on. Now let's get started with Lesson 2. The numbers in the brackets are the stitch counts for the next size up. For example, to make the larger size, the pattern is telling you to start by chaining 12, and that you should end the round with 30 stitches total. HDC2 or 2HDC with a space between the letters and the number means to make 1 half double crochet in the next 2 consecutive stitches. Two HDC without a space means to make 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. A stitch sequence between the stars means to repeat that sequence however many times listed. In this case, the pattern is telling us to single crochet 2 stitches together, then single crochet in the next stitch, and to repeat this entire sequence a total of 5 times. Your homework for this lesson is to come up with 5 repeat sequences. Make sure they are all different. No cheating. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time with another crochet tutorial.